I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to. Now and then I think of when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. I told myself that you were right for me, but I felt so lonely in your car. That was love and it's an ache I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always. So when we found we could not make sense, I'll admit that I was glad that it was over. But you didn't have to cut me off, make out like it never happened and that we were nothing. I don't even need your love to treat me like a stranger and it feels so wrong. You didn't have to stoop so have your friends collect your records and then change your number. I guess that I don't need you. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now and then I think of all the times you screwed me over. Part of me believing it was always something that I'd done. I don't wanna live that way, reading into every word you say. You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't catch you hung up on somebody that you used to know. You didn't have to cut me off, make out like it never happened and that we were nothing. I don't need nothing. You treat me like a stranger and it feels so rough. You didn't have to stop so long. Have your friends collect your records and then change your number. I guess that I don't need nothing. Somebody that I used to know. Somebody. Now you're just somebody that